Nice, Lala.
Come on, let's go.
Mommy.
It is Reilly. Reilly, can you cough for Mommy?
No.
Can you stop? I'm trying to record her cough. Charlie. Reilly, cough for Mommy.
Can somebody tell me what's so great about this? I hear
That
the
wasn't a
names of
cough.
lunch, crepe paper. It sounds
Reilly, you look creepy. That's good. Cover your mouth. It's very good.
Put that down, mister. You're not old enough.
Stay focused. We're here to find your kid. Let nature and parole officers take care of the rest. Oh my God. There it is. Can't wait to see his face.
What are you doing, Reilly? Okay, goobers. I'm trying to get your sister's cough, not you guys being silly.
She's got her coughing.
I know, but I just want to see if I can get one of her long, nasty coughs. Nope, we're just going to get Lila sucking on her finger and Reilly showing her tongue.
That's my hand. Boo boo.
Your little face is so swollen.
Oh, she's That's my head.
It is your head.
That's my head.
Alright.
That's my ear.
Yeah.
That's mommy.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Say bye-bye, Lila.